What's up guys, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I want to teach you guys how you can make your headlights look brand new with only 10 bucks. So if you want to find out, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is sandpaper. If your headlights are really bad, then you want to use 400, but if they're not so bad, you want to use 600 because 600 grit is more fine, and it won't scratch up the lenses as much. And then you're gonna want some water. You can use a hose, but this is just to lubricate the area. And rubbing alcohol, any kind works. You just want to get rid of the excess after you're done. A rag. And if you're gonna take off your headlights to do this, then you don't need these two. But if you're gonna keep it on the car, then you want this to tape off the edges so it doesn't ruin the paint. And then you also need clear coat, which I don't have. I'm gonna go to the store right now and get some, so I'll see you there. And I got this idea from a video that I watched earlier today. I'll put it in the description, so if you guys want to watch the original one, I'll link it down below. Alright, so we got the 600 grit waterproof sandpaper, and we also got the spray paint. When you get the spray paint, you want to get to the one that says bonds to plastic and the non-yellowing UV resistant clear coat. Alright, so sorry for the audio. It might be a little loud because it's kind of windy out today. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is tape off the edges. So I'm gonna start with 400 grit sandpaper, and then we're gonna start spraying the headlight with water just to lube it up. And then I'm gonna spray my sandpaper, get it nice and wet, and then just sand it down. You wanna keep it nice and wet so that it doesn't scratch the headlight too much. After you've done that, you're gonna want to go at it with a horizontal motion, so that when you apply the spray paint, it doesn't drip. Alright, so now I got my 1000 grit sandpaper, and we're gonna do it again, more finer. This milky stuff is actually good because that's the clear coat. So, and that's our goal here, is to try to take the clear coat off. Alright, so I just got done sanding it down with the 600 grit and dry it off. Get all the water off. So it's still gonna be pretty hazy, but once we get the clear coat on it, it'll probably clear up. So the next thing you want to do is grab your alcohol. The reason we put the alcohol is so that we can get all the excess clear coat off. Plus it'll dry really quickly. So while we're waiting for the alcohol to dry, we can start putting it on the garbage bag around it to protect the paint from the clear coat paint. so after you have put the garbage bag and covered the paint, you want to go back over it with some alcohol, just to make sure that there's no oils from your skin or anything like that on the lens. Alright, so you want to get your spray paint, and then you want to just put one light coat on it. You don't want to put too much or else it'll drip and then it won't look good and you got to restart. So you just want to put a nice light coat. That's all you want to do for now, and then you want to let it dry for about 5 minutes, and then you want to come back and put another coat. So as you can see, there's still going to be some scratches, but with the more coats that you put, the more that it will fill in. So I'm going to put another coat on and then let it dry and we'll see what happens. Alright, so my last coat of paint just dried. It looks really good compared to this one. This is how the whole lens looked before. I might redo this whole headlight because of the top. If you guys liked the video, give me a like, comment down below what you thought, subscribe for more. Peace out.